Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set this device to factory reset itself if you was to lose it. So let's just say you have some censored private videos or pictures or things of that nature in the device and you was to lose it, but you have your lock screen pin code set and somebody was to find the phone and they were to try to guess your pin and they entered the pin wrong 15 times, the device would actually shut off and do a factory reset, wiping all your personal information, all your personal data, those pictures, those videos, what you did not want anybody to see. Everything would just get totally wiped off the phone, and then you could sleep comfortably at night knowing that nobody has seen your private bits. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. And believe me, people, when people do find the phone, they do try to guess the pins. Somebody will try to guess it 15 times, believe it or not. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So all you do is just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and go to lock screen, and go to secure lock settings, and just enter your current pin that you have set. And then all you're going to do is just turn this little switch on. And it explains auto factory reset. After 15 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. Okay, so I like to keep it on because I do have content in here that I do not want nobody to see. So I like to keep it on just in case I do lose my phone and some idiot tries to guess the pin code 15 times. I don't have to really worry because I know that my personal private content will be deleted. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Hope this video helps you out. You already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it. I'm out. Doses.